Here we go again with a 1979 C-10 pickup truck. This one here, 350 under the hood, power steering, power brakes. Got the AC, missing some fender wells. It's been lowered, so I'm sure that's why they take them out. Detailed pictures, financing and shipping, that's all available at maplemotors.com. And this thing is pretty low to the ground, so getting these undercarriage shots in slow motion is going to be hard on this truck. I'll do what I can, but we're going to be going around and seeing how it runs and drives, and then we're going to end with a detailed walk around looking for rust and dents. I mean, you've got a lot of chips, so I'm not going to go over every single little chip on this one, but yeah, should be fun. Hit subscribe, share this video. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Let's check out the interior. You got a nice aftermarket steering wheel. You got a nice dash somebody put in here. The seats customized, and it's pretty sweet looking in my opinion. Door panel, carpet's new. Got a nice pedal here. The dash itself, can't complain. Show you the mileage. Start her up. Starts up good. Shut the door. Place your bets. Hold on. Do you think the horn blows on this one? Does it? Wipers? They work. Turn signals. Left side or right side, both are blinking. AC. It's hot right now. Golly. I like the heat though. Let's see if it'll switch over to AC. Might be a little difficult to tell because it's like 28 degrees. It feels cold, but it's not super cold. So I'm gonna say maybe the AC is not engaging. Let's put it back on hot. We'll get a little heat blowing in here. Radio. Radio works, good deal. Ashtray, pretty clean. See if I can open this with one hand. There we go. Receipts, that's nice. Big old packet of them. Horn, did you place your bets? It works. I'm gonna hit the road and see what else we can find. Got y'all set up. So we're gonna roll out of here. We're gonna head on up here and get some outside shots. Anything I see, you'll know about it. This is the first time I've taken this down the road personally. Engine temperature is coming up on the dash, so it seems to be working. Here we go, guys. Pretty smooth right out of the gate here. Looks like our speedometer is working. The heat is just awesome. It's actually kind of hot in here. I can cut that off now. When I let go of the steering wheel, it does have a fade to the right. You see it pulling me a little bit. Getting in the throttle now. Y'all ready? Shift it down. And it's pulling strong. Getting in our brakes. Nice and smooth. Just barely touching them and stopping pretty quick. It's not bad. Back in our brakes. Again, nice and smooth. So far, the suspension is not that bad either. This thing's lowered to the ground, so I'm hoping I can get some cool undercarriage shots, but I also don't want to destroy my camera. Also, as soon as I turn, it turns. It's got nice tight steering. Great pickup. There's not really any kind of hesitation to it. Okay, so far so good. After this, we're gonna get some outside shots, and then we'll drop back to the lot and end with picking out the flaws. I gotta go to the dollar store real quick, get some supplies, so I'll catch y'all here in a moment. Thanks, guys. Okay, here we go, heading on back to the lot now. I tried to get some undercarriage shots the best I could. This truck's very low, and I know if it gets close to the front end, it's probably going to end up messing this camera up. So I just kind of backed over the camera, and we'll see how that turns out. Heading on back to the lot now. Said it has been lowered. It's fairly smooth to be lowered. Nice and quiet going down the road. Don't hear a lot of rattles or shakes. There's a nice little bump in the middle of the road here. We'll give her a listen. I'll point it out. I mean, that's fairly smooth, especially with the suspension being on the ground like this. Well, I'm gonna pull in the parking lot here. We're gonna get some outside shots. Picking out the flaws is coming up after that. So stick around. I'll be back. Okay, we're going to walk around this ride in detail and look for rust, chip, scratches. There's a lot of little chips on here, so probably won't look at all the chips, but mainly dents and rust. Detailed pictures are at maplemotors.com. Let's get up close and personal here. Coming around your front end, scuff there in the corner, scratch on top here. A little bit of pitting right there on the inner portion of the chrome. Cracks right there. Coming down the side here, you got a couple of dents, chips. This was made like that. It's not actually chipped up. It's a design they went for. It's nice and smooth, believe it or not. It's painted on like that. Put on down the side. Little spots. Lots of chips. This one's low to the ground. Back your midsection. Clear coat coming up there on top of the fender. Around your front windshield, it's in pretty good shape. The trim around it is missing the chrome. Be re-blacked out. That's what I would do. Around in the bed here. Oh, somebody left a rag. Back windshield's not too bad. You got chips. That patina look on the roof. Let's look at the bed. I mean the tailgate on this one. Back bumper's got a lot of pitting on it. Open it up here. Hold on. Up with this. She's locked down this side. Got some dents up here. Back your midsection. Little chips all over the fender. Back some more here. Dent up here, top of the bed rail. Seal around that window is not bad. A little bit of pitting on the chrome there. Front windshield on this one looks good. It's just that trim around it. Let's go ahead and open the interior up, check it out. They went with a different style design. Looks pretty good. I like it. Nice clean door panel. Seal is okay. Carpet's been changed out too. It's nice and clean. The seat matches the door panels. They did pretty good with that. The dash has been redone. Nice steering wheel. Showing 72,000 miles. Starts right up. Good oil pressure. The gas gauge seems to be working. Headliner's nice. Coming on down with the hood here. A little stiff. Bubbles up in the front. Little bubbles there. Edge of the hood. Chip right there. Bubbles over in the corner here. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I've got more to do today, so I'm going to take off, grab another car, and do another review. Of course, this is the only channel you'll get a full, honest review about all of Maple Motors cars. So be sure to hit subscribe and share. Go to maplemotors.com for financing, shipping, detailed pictures. And thank you. I'll see you in the next one.